Sun conure. Sun conures are small and brightly colored parrots native to South America, primarily found in the northeastern parts of the continent. They are known for their striking plumage, featuring a vibrant mix of yellow, orange, and red feathers. Sun conures are popular pets due to their colorful appearance and friendly personalities. They are highly social and thrive on interaction with their human caregivers. Sun conures are excellent mimics and can learn to imitate a variety of sounds, including human speech. Their distinctive call is loud and high-pitched, often sounding like a sharp caw. They are omnivorous, eating a varied diet of fruits, nuts, seeds, and insects. Sun conures are often seen in pairs or small groups in the wild. Their conservation status is of concern due to habitat destruction and the pet trade. They build their nests in tree hollows or crevices, often reusing the same nesting site. Sun conures are known for their playful behavior and love of toys. They have strong, hooked bills that they use to crack open nuts and seeds. In the wild, they inhabit tropical forests, savannas, and woodland areas. Sun conures are considered one of the most colorful parrot species in the world. Conservation efforts are in place to protect wild sun conure populations and their habitats.